welcome you once again to this section of our e-learning program. Our subject for today is natural science. Now let's look at our topic. Our topic is food processing. Repeat that after me. Food processing. That's good. Now let's look at what we have to learn at the end of this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you can define food. You can give examples of food in their raw state. You can define food processing. You can state some methods of processing food. Now get ready for your lesson. What is food? Food is any nutritious substance that human beings, animals, and plants eat to absorb to maintain their life and growth. Let's take it again. What is food? Food is any nutritious substance that human beings, animals, and plants eat to absorb to maintain their life and growth. Now, I would like you to look at the meaning very well once again. Now let's read for the last time. What is food? Food is any nutritious substance that human beings, animals, and plants eat or absorb to maintain their life and growth. This means that when we eat or we take food into our system, it helps us to grow and live. So we say that food is anything that we take in or eat to live and grow. That's good. Now let's look at some examples of food in their raw state. Observe the picture very well. Pay attention to it. On my immediate left, look at the picture very well. And do not forget the signals they will send into your mind. I believe you are already figuring out the names of these food stuffs. Yes, my left, immediate top, we have fruits, yes. Next to it, at the top, yes, we have vegetables. And next to it, look at that picture, that third picture up there from my left. Yes, you've got it. That is maize. What about those green substances there? Yes, which is next to the maize. Look at it carefully and tell me. Yes. That is beans. Yeah. That is beans. And then on my left down, yes, we have a chunk of green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Yes, I think you can figure out the cucumber, the cabbage, and the others. The cauliflower. Yes, they all come together to form the green leafy vegetables. And next to those ones, we have, wow, yummy. I know you are having your eyes on that. Yeah, you are right. We have chicken on top. And next to it is what? Fish. Yeah, that's right. and below it, yeah, you've been enjoying that one. That is beef. Yeah, so we have those ones too as part of the foods in their raw state. And next to that one, yeah, what is that? Next to the meat and the fish, what do you have there? Good. That is yam. That is yam, yes. You can say it again. Sometimes we do fry it or boil it. That is yam. Okay. Last but not the least, what is there? Look at it. Yeah, that is plantain, not banana. Plantain. Yes, that's plantain. Good. Now let's move on and look at some methods of processing food. Okay, before that, what is food processing? Food. We know what food is. Now, what is food processing? Okay. Food processing is an action of changing or preserving food for consumption or use. Okay, let's read again. Food processing is an action of changing or preserving food for consumption or use. This is a situation whereby food in their raw states are changed or they are processed into different forms. In so doing, we also keep some in such a way that they are preserved from going bad. And so we do that and keep it for future use or consumption. Good. Let's go on to look at some methods of food processing. Some methods of food processing or processing food. The first one there on my left, that is salting. Salting is a method of processing food. Salting can be done to fish to keep or preserve it from going bad, and in so doing we can go for it and use it or consume it whenever we need it. So salting is a method of processing food. Next to it is boiling. Boiling is another process or method of processing food whereby the food is boiled in water or hot water on fire. And we can look at the yam. The yam has been processed by boiling, and below the raw yam we have boiled yam. I know most of us like enjoying our boiled yam with contemporary stew. So boiling is another process of processing food or another method of processing food. Good. Now we have canning. Canning is another method of processing food whereby raw food is changed or kept in a can, a tin or a container. In so doing, it keeps the food for a longer period for future use or consumption. Canning can be done to beef, as we can see in our picture. It can also be done to raw foods like tomatoes. That's why we have the tinned tomatoes, the tinned tomatoes in cans or tins. Very well. Observe the picture very attentively. Good. Let's repeat the following method of processing food. We have 1, salting. We have boiling. And we have canning. Again, salting, boiling, and canning. We have other processes that were not mentioned here. So, if you come across them, they are also parts. We have some like freezing, frying, and etc. Good. Now we come to the conclusion of our lesson. What have we learned? We learned about food, or the meaning of food. We also looked at examples of raw food. We looked at the meaning of food processing and some methods of processing food. Good. Now let's look at our assignment. Assignment is, what is food? State 3 examples of raw food. What is food processing? And then the last one is, state 3 methods of processing food. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you've really enjoyed the lesson. Don't hesitate to give me feedbacks in case of any challenge. Don't forget to refer to your textbooks. They will also give you some facts or clue to this lesson, or assist you to do the assignment. Goodbye. See you same time next week. Stay safe.